Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 computer. And this is very easy to do. Now, this may be a little bit different than the Windows 10 version to find it. If we go on over to the Start menu right here and select this, then go on over to Settings and select it. Now under here, we have System on the top. Let's go on down to Network and Internet. Then go on down to where it says Advanced Network Settings, View All Network Adapters, Network Reset. Select that. And then scroll on down under this page to the Related Settings, More Network Adapter Settings. Then this window will appear. Locate your Wi-Fi internet. So I can see this one is connected currently. Then let's right click on it and go down to Status. Now open up this window right here. Now on this Wi-Fi status page, let's go to Wireless Properties and select this. Then we have the option for connections. Then let's go to the right to Security. And we can see our network security key right here. Simply go to Show Characters and you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 computer. So it's very easy to do. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and you should be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.